Hi, my name's Aishy and I'm a third year maths student here at Imperial. Unfortunately, I'm a final year student, so the end of my degree has come a little bit sooner than I would have liked, but it's still been an absolutely jam-packed year and I've had such a great time at Imperial this year. So in terms of my degree, in third year we get to choose what modules we'd like to do. So I decided to choose a lot of stats modules and data science. In the stats and data science modules, I've been able to work with a lot of data, doing projects on them. Some of my favourite ones were analysing differences between curries, and then also looking at a clothing catalogue, and more recently we looked at a study of patients' heart rates before and after they were given a stimulant, and seeing whether that changed depending on whether they were coffee drinkers or not. So I found that quite interesting. One of the other really cool modules I got to do this year was communicating in maths, where I got to go into a secondary school once a week and teach GCSE and A-level students. I found this really interesting and different to all my other modules, and I'm looking forward to writing this up soon. However, the best possible bit of my time at Imperial has definitely been getting involved in societies. This year I've been lucky enough to be the president of the Maths Society here. That's been something really different to my degree. It's been able to give me a social side, get to know so many people across my department. I've really enjoyed working on putting together some really big events such as our massive Christmas dinner, and then also some smaller events. We held our first online social last week and we did online Pictionary, which was something new and really fun, and we're hoping to do some similar kind of socials. The best bit of this year definitely has to have been organising a massive social event for the Royal College of Science Union with the Computing Society. This was called Roaring Revel, and it was probably the best event I've ever attended at Imperial. Although my time at Imperial has been cut a little bit short, I still have had the best 3 years ever. Thank you so much to everyone who's given me the best memories, the best friends, and the best 3 years.